So here is how to withdraw money from Whop. So first you'll need to open your browser and then go to Whop and log into your account. Now if you don't have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up for one. Next you'll need to click on your profile logo and then click on balance. Now you should see the balance available to pay out to your bank. You can also see the available to pay soon balance in here and the total in here. Now you should simply have a Whop payout set up in your account and verified. Now if you don't know how to do that, you can check the description below. I have another video showing you how to do it. Now once you have your payout linked, you can simply click on withdraw to bank and it will usually send it to your Stripe account, and then from Stripe it will be transferred to your bank. You can also withdraw it to your bank. Now in some countries Stripe is not supported as a full service, but they offer some sort of service called Stripe Express, which allows you only to receive payments to your bank directly, and that works regardless if your country is supported or not. But usually you can't do more than that, only withdraw funds to your bank. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.